Hello, I'm Dr. Mbawai. I'm interventional radiologist. My colleague and my assistant, Dr. Richtiger, our patient was referred to our hospital, to our center, with a liver mass lesion. At first, we performed percutaneous biopsy for him, and the pathology was hepatocellular carcinoma. So we decided to cure the patient by interventional radiology procedure. We decided to perform at first microwave ablation on the lesion, and we will go to treating by endovascular procedure by TACE, chemoembolization of the liver mass.
First of all, let me give you a brief story about the patient. As Dr. Babai mentioned, the patient was diagnosed about 3 months ago with hepatocellular carcinoma biopsy proven, and he received one-step chemoembolization, and the tumor shrank a little bit, and we decided to cure the tumor by this procedure combination of transcatheter arterial chemoembolization, TACE, and microwave ablation in the same admission.